When God revealed, for example, the Old Testament, the Torah, in Judaism, we see that there is a list of 10 commandments. We as Muslims also accept these 10 commandments. So we don't reject any of the commandments which God revealed to previous religions. We simply build on them. So when the religion of Islam came, when you see the legal system in the religion of Islam, the legal system that governs the economy, that governs society, that governs a family, it's much more elaborate than what you find in Judaism or Christianity. For example, if I were to ask you, what is the economic system in Judaism? Not very clear. The Old Testament is not very clear about that because religion was still in its early stages. Yes, for example, in the Bible, usury is looked down upon, interest. But what's the economic system that God wants for humanity? The best economic system. You'll find that in Islam. We believe that the religion of Islam, the system that you'll find in it, the rituals, even small little details like the laws of retribution, transactions, business transactions, the economy, marital life, it's so detailed that it gives you the most comprehensive system to live as a servant of God.